and use again and again in the field. The first thing we're going to do is just go into our Swan portal, and we're going to look here at a couple of different ways that we can create and manage orders in the system. Now, you can create an order from an old transaction simply by selecting the Transactions tab, looking at an order that you may have, selecting the three dots, and ordering it again, or saving it as a template to use time and time again. The other way that we can create orders in this platform is by selecting the Orders tab and creating an order. So from here, we can have an order name where we place the details into the system, or we can use a template to drop products in and then use again and again and again. If you are using a template, it will name the order, but you can supersede that and change it. You can add additional notes and details that the store may need to see. This might be delivery instructions, it might be requirements, it might be additional items that you need to let them know. In your platform, when you are creating an order, you have the ability to manage your delivery options. So in this instance, I might want it delivered or I might want it picked up. Okay, so I'm going to pick this item up. When do I want to pick it up? Well, I want to pick it up on Monday. What time am I going to pick it up? I want to pick it up at 9 a.m. or whatever it's going to be. So you can choose the details that suit your business needs, nice and simply by creating the order. Now, you've got your Swan store location. Okay, so from here, you'll be able to choose the store that you want to go to by dropping this into the platform, or you can default it to your favorited store. Now, from here, because I've used a template, I can see that there are already some products that are in the system, which is fantastic. I can change these quantities if I need to, or I can remove items if I don't need it for this particular order. Nice and simple by just selecting the icon. If I want to add more products to an order on the portal, I can add an item if I know what I'm going to call it, or I can open up my product list and it will then just open up my whole product list, and I can search and navigate through the platform and add products back into the order. So I can see I've got my favorite products, my details here, I've got everything that I need, or I can search for a product by simply writing in the details, selecting the icon. It will then filter through all of my thousands of products. It'll find the products that I need, bring them up, so then I can choose to select from them, or I can choose to remove from them and add. So nice and simply, I can choose I want to add some bolted clip heads. If I want to go to the next page, it will still save these items to the cart, so I can move between pages and products. I don't have to add them back to the quote each time. I can simply just search for them in the system. Okay, so this allows me to really customize the platform and look for things that I need in the system. Once again, I can select a product and add it back into the system. I can change my quantities here, or I can change my quantities when I'm back in the order that I'm creating for the store. So nice and simple, I can add 15 clips, and I can then have my order sitting here in the system. I've got the ability to upload images and details. If you've got a spec sheet, if you've got a fixture list or something like that, you can upload it directly into the platform as well. So this allows you to set up and manage the details and create your orders as well. Okay, so nice and easy here. If you haven't filled out the order properly, when you press to save the save option, it will come up with an error and say that you can't save it because you're missing items. If it's fine and the system's ready to go, it will save the order and it will send it directly to your store. So this is a great way to manage your ordering and details directly in the platform, and then from here you'll be able to send your items directly to the store. When you have your details come up, you'll have the share icon that pops up in the system. So from here, I might want to choose that I want to send it to a particular store. Once I send it to the store, I can then send that item. It'll create the order and attach it, and I can send it to the store. This will automatically pop into the store. It automatically goes into their system. It automatically notifies them. When they receive it, it'll come back with an email to you to let you know that they have got it on their end. So this is a really great way to be able to stay on top of your ordering, templates, and management through the platform. You can see a history of your orders once again in your portal. You'll be able to see all your order history in your orders tab. You can template orders, save orders, and customize them. Now, when we create a templated order, that will be available for you to customize or copy or manage by going to your name, templates, and then you'll see a tab here for order templates. So from here, you'll see the orders that you've got in the system. You'll be able to click the three dots and you'll be able to edit them, or you might want to copy them and change them. So you might have a sub-slab template that's got all your pipe and fittings for a single bathroom, but then you might want to copy one to add another bathroom worth of fixtures to it or fittings to it. You might have a rough-in, and then you might have a rough-in for a different type of apartment or a townhouse or whatever it is. So this allows you to stay on top of everything in the system. Okay. If you've got any further questions or queries in the ability to create, manage orders in the Track platform or in your Swan portal, please reach out to our team at contact@track.co, or you can reach out to your Swan store. Once again, in your portal, you've got the ability to book a full demonstration so that we can help you set up and structure these templates to suit your business needs. We're here to help you customize this platform so that you get the most out of it. We look forward to working with you on improving and implementing the Swan portal. Thank you.